How to disable library on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Home Screen and All Library as shown. The Home Screen and App Library Settings page is used to manage where new apps are downloaded and to control notification badges within the app library. You can choose to have new apps added directly to your home screen or sent only to the app library. On this page, go to the newly downloaded apps section. Here, select Add to Home Screen. Your newly downloaded apps will no longer be sent to the app library, but they will be added to your home screen. Then, go to the Notification Badges section and turn off the Show in App Library switch. From now on, notification badges will no longer be displayed in the app library. Following these steps, you can easily disable library on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.